Hey there! Struggling to pick the perfect booking app? Today we're comparing Acuity Scheduling and ReadyHubb to help you decide which one's best for your biz. Let's dive in. First up, Acuity Scheduling. It's super easy to use and lets clients book appointments online 24/7. You can customize your booking page to match your brand, send auto reminders to cut no-shows, and even create intake forms for clients' info. Acuity also handles payments like deposits or full fees and syncs with your Google Calendar. It's great for managing multiple locations and offers a 7-day free trial. Perfect if you want a pro-polished vibe. Now, ReadyHubb. This app is built for beauty pros like Lash techs. It offers online booking, payment processing, and auto reminders too. But what makes it stand out? Its marketplace feature lets new clients find you by listing your services online. You can post your portfolio, get reviews, and build trust. ReadyHubb has a free plan forever with paid upgrade for extra features like custom websites. It's awesome for growing your clients list. So which is better? Acuity is best if you want a super customizable pro-looking booking system. It's great for established Lash techs who need tools like calendar syncs, intake forms, and multi-location support. ReadyHubb shines for newer techs or those wanting more clients. Its marketplace and portfolio features help you get discovered. Plus, the free plan is budget-friendly. Both reduce no-shows with reminders, but Acuity's payment setup is smoother, while ReadyHubb's chargeback support saves you hassle. Pick Acuity for a sleek pro setup or ReadyHubb to grow your clientele. Drop a comment on which you'd choose. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.